Hello students, today we are discussing about the point defect. There are total 3 defects: point defect, line defects and plane defects. Okay, only point defects will be discussed in this chapter. Point defects. These defects are produced in the arrangement of basis at lattice points in the crystalline solids. Point defects have the three major classes: taichometric point defects, impurity defects, and non-taichometric point defect. These are the three types of the point defects. First, taichometric defect. Taichometric point defect. In the taichometric point defect, taichometry remains unchanged. That is, ratio of number of atoms or number of cations and anions in the chemical formula shows a fixed ratio. In taichometric point defects, taichometry does not change, taichometry remains unchanged, and chemical formula of compound shows fixed ratio of the atoms or number of cation and anions. Taichometric defects have the four types: vacancy defect, self-interstitial defect, Schottky defect, and Frenkel defect. Point defect have three types. Which are the three types? Point defects have three types: taichometric defect, non-taichometric defects, and plane defect. Okay, and taichometric defects have the four types: vacancy defect, self-interstitial defect, Schottky defect, and Frenkel defect. These are the four types of the taichometric point defects. Now see the vacancy defect. Vacancy defect is the type of the taichometric point defect. In this defect, some atoms are missing, some particles are missing and create the vacancy in the lattice structure. Therefore, there are some vacant lattice sites. Why there are vacant sites in the vacancy defect? Because some particles in these defects are missing from their lattice site. आता लॅटाईस साईट म्हणजे काय मुलांनो, ही डायग्राम पहा, वॅकन्सी डिफेक्टची डायग्राम आहे. वॅकन्सी डिफेक्टची डायग्राम मध्ये या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला वॅकन्सी एरोने दाखवलेली आहे, वॅकन्सी आहे ना. आणि साईट कोणती आहे तर बघा, लॅटाईस साईट म्हणजे ही जी रो आहे त्याला लॅटाईस साईट असं म्हणतात. आणि ह्या लॅटाईस साईटमधून काही पार्टिकल्स किंवा ॲटम्स मिसिंग आहेत, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी नाही आहेत. बघा इथं आहे, इथला एक ॲटम नाही, इथला एक ॲटम नाही. या ठिकाणी मी क्लिक केलं त्या ठिकाणचं पहा. ठीक आहे, तर अशा डिफेक्टला वॅकन्सी डिफेक्ट असं म्हणतात. मग आता हा डिफेक्ट कसा क्रिएट होतो? ज्यावेळेस क्रिस्टलायझेशन होत असतं, सॉलिडचं क्रिस्टलायझेशन होत असतं, त्यावेळेस त्या ठिकाणचा जो पार्टिकल आहे लॅटाईस साईटवरून मिसिंग होतो आणि म्हणून हा डिफेक्ट क्रिएट झालेला आहे. क्रिएट होत असतो. In this defect, equal number of cations and equal number of anions are missing, and therefore density of vacancy uh, in the vacancy defect changes. Density decreases. There is a board question. What is the effect on the density in the vacancy defect? Density of the substance in the vacancy defect changed, decreases. Why decreases? Because there is a missing of the some particles from the lattice side, and that's why there is a density changes. Okay.